Hello friends, my name is Arjun Malik and today I'm going to explain you the multiplication of decimals. So, so first I'll explain you case 1, then case 2. So case 1 is whole number multiplied by decimal. And the second case is decimals multiplied by decimals. Like this. So let's continue and let me take an example. 36.28 multiplied by 8. It's very simple. Now let's multiply. First, let's multiply in columns. Like this. Now forget there's this point and only remember that the point is after 2 digits and multiply. So it will be 4, 6 carry. Now it will be 22, 2 carry, 50, 5 carry, 9. Like this. And it was after, the point was after 2 digits, so the point will, in the answer, the point will be also after 2 digits. So it will be, here's the point, 1, 2. So the answer is 290.24. This is the answer. We have solved the case 1. Done. Now case 2 is remaining. So now we will do case 2, which is decimals multiply decimals. So the second example is 45.62 multiplied by 0.8. This is the example. So let's put it in columns. 45.62. And now multiply by 0.8. So it will be, forget that there's this point and multiply it. And forget there's this point here and this point here. And only remember that this point is after 2 digits, this point is after 1 digit. So multiply it. Erase the dot. Erase the decimal here. And now multiply it. It will be 16 1 carry. 9 4 carry. 4 4 carry. It will be this. Now here the point was after 2 digits and here was 1 digit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will put this point after 3 digits. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So the answer will be 45.62 multiplied by 0.8 is, final answer is 36.496. So now the case 2 is done. Simple. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to see our second channel, Bob Beta Vibes. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.